Alright. Everybody's wondering what I've been doing lately. I've been moving pallets of crap that I need help with, so I need some volunteer help down here in San Diego. I bought a bunch of shelving, which is all that stuff up there. And it's all stacked up here in piles I need to haul out. So my truck here will hold one stack of pallet, or one stack of wood. And I have piles and piles of stuff to haul out of here. So I need lots and lots of help. I got another week and a half to get all this out of here. There's 2, 3, 4, there's 6 more stacks of wood there, 7 I can see. Actually I get 1 stack of wood per Dodge truck, packed solid. And then I got everything outside here too. So I need help. I don't know if anybody wants to come help me. Well, that's what I need done. So it requires lots of manual labor like this. When this truck gets full, then I move on to the trailer, fill it up, which holds more than this truck does. Then I get to haul it 70 miles to the high desert and unload it. And that's what I do every day this week so far. Most of my help I've wore out, so it's just me. I'm worn out too, see my wrist protector? It really hurts. Feels like it's broken. But best thing for a broken parts is exercise. So we just do exercise. So anyway, I need lots of help. I don't know if anybody wants to help, but I need it. So the address down here is, I forget, 1440 Commercial Street, I think is the name of the address. Send me an email at tatromachine@cox.net and schedule, and I'll tell you how to get here and everything. And you'll waste a whole day from noon to midnight. Then you get to drive 150 miles round trip from San Diego. Yeah, I'll be doing this every day for the next week and a half. So if you want to respond to me on comments and emails and videos, good luck. Ain't happening. Except for ones like this one. Wrist does not like that. Alright. Whew. And it's only in the 80s, so we're not too hot either. It'll be hotter in the mountains, but at least we do that at night. So, this pile's done. I can move on this next stack. So, I fill my trailer up, which is right there. Then we stuffed that thing full. And I'm heavily overloaded. So there's probably about 3 tons to 4 tons of weight I haul up every day. I don't know what the stack of wood is, but it makes this thing cry with weight. So there's probably 3,000 pounds of wood per truck. I stack it right up to the top of the header up there, not to the ceiling. That's enough, and nothing in the back, it's too heavy. The trailer, it gets stuffed. I'll stuff that whole, a big pile of that in there. It all has to be hand loaded and hand unloaded. So anyway, if anybody wants to come help, contact me at tatromachine@cox.net, cox.net, or comment on my comment video list. I get home at 3, 4, 5 in the morning. I look at it before I die and go to bed. Sometimes even eat. Not every night though, I'm too tired. So anyway, there's not going to be any video for the rest of the month at this rate. If I don't have it all out here by the end of the month, they're going to scrap it all, so I'm trying to get it out. So anyway, I need help. Anybody wants to help, get a hold of me. Thanks. Alright, we made up the property up here. So there's the house. Here's the kind of loads we carry. So there's a full load of wood and other crap. And then we've got some real weight sitting here. It's just 20-foot trailer stacked full of metal. Metal grates. Well loaded. There's the property. Can't see much. There's dirt hill, so anyway, there's all the metal we got. It's heavy. So we're gonna lay some metal down here in this dirt road so I can get down it. So that's where we're throwing all our junk, is down the hill here. Under the trees and brushes. So there's the house. So anyway, we got a lot of property up over here. There's a mountain back there you can't see, but you can see the stars though. Turn the light off. Yeah, when you're at the city, you can see stars. The light won't go out. Oh, that's my light. There. Yeah, we get stars. Yeah, great. There's Mexico. Red lights. All right, so I'm gonna unload all this stuff. So far I'm by myself for now. So anyway, this is the kind of stuff we gotta do, is haul crap. So for now we're stuffing under here the wood. I gotta clean all this out tonight. It'll be fun. So there's some wood. That's 4 loads. Yeah, a lot of wood. So we're gonna fill this hole under here full of wood. So we're thinking about renting a 28-foot U-Haul and make a few runs this weekend, but definitely some manual labor to load and unload that. So anyway, a lot of wood in here. You can't go lengthwise, but it goes, or side to side we can't do, we can go lengthwise. At least one, if the door hits it. Looks like he's got this nailed in. So anyway, I'm gonna try to knock all this stuff out, clean all this out. This used to be all full of dried up concrete. Got messy last night. Cleaned that all out. So made a wall out of it on that side and over there so I can see where the tree was. Backing up. Back down into the yonder down there. Alright, well, let me get some work done. So anyway, send me some information if you want to help. This is Wednesday night, so I'll post this in the morning. When I get back to town. There's my junk. Dad's old truck. Beating the tar out of it. Definitely overloading it. But anyway, so we're looking for something probably Friday, midday, downtown San Diego area. Lots of bodies. And then if they want to travel 70 miles out to here, be all the way out to here. Oh. Well, you can't see a damn thing. It's dark. We're not good as cameras at night. Find out. All right, that's it for now. Ooh, the focus went way out. What happened to the focus? The camera does not like focusing on nothing. There, it's been focused again. All right, that's it for tonight, for at least for now. I got a load to do.